Oh no. Please tell me these haven't been modernised. These were Lexan. Oh, thank God. It's just the call button that's been changed. I was starting to get worried that these have been modernised. Oh, those don't look like the original doors though. That doesn't work very well, does it? At least the buttons light up. These inner doors look like they've been replaced. Okay, it's got an Otis REM phone. Capacity. There it is again. Ah, Schindler maintenance. I mean, this is really small. So thankfully it's just the call button that's been replaced. They did used to have a Lexan call button. The bells don't work. Oh, maybe the doors haven't been changed, because look, the drop key. Okay. Well, that's it.